For my model of instruction, I'll be using the Flipgrid to teach my Grade 5 physical education class. I chose to use this model because I think it is one of the simplest yet very effective models. The unit that I'll be covering is the locomotor skills, which include hopping, galloping, running, sliding, skipping, leaping, and walking. The overall unit objective is for the students to learn the different locomotor skills and to be able to execute them properly. I will do this through Flipgrid, where I will upload instructional videos of the different locomotor skills. The students will be required to review videos and ask questions on the discussion board before class. That way, they will already know how to perform the different locomotor movements with the correct technique. The content standards for this lesson are from the Society of Health and Physical Education, also known as SHAPE, which are from the National Standards and Grade Level Outcome for K-12 Physical Education. The standards are listed in the Grade 5 column, highlighted here. In addition to my unit, here are the references I used to gather my information. Thank you.